Unlock more apps on your Chromebook without Google Play step-by-step guide. Never find that perfect app in the Google Play Store for your Chromebook? Sometimes certain apps aren't available due to compatibility issues or developer restrictions. But don't worry, there's a way to install those apps manually, giving you access to a wider world of software and games, even without switching to developer mode. Before you jump in, a quick heads up. Installing apps from outside sources can be risky. Only proceed if you trust the developer and source. Malicious files can harm your device or compromise your data, so choose carefully. Here's what you'll need to get started. First, ensure your Chromebook is set up for Linux. If you haven't done that yet, follow our straightforward tutorial. Once Linux is enabled, download your desired APK files. A safe bet is APK Mirror. They scan all uploads for malware. For popular games like Fortnite, always download from official sites to avoid shady files. This trick's perfect for those who want a broader app selection, especially since some developers don't optimize their apps for larger screens or Chrome OS. Next, prepare for the technical part. Rename your APK file in the Files app, keeping the .apk extension. Then move it into the Linux Files folder in the sidebar. Open the Settings menu, navigate to the Linux, Beta section, and click Develop Android Apps. Confirm and restart your Chromebook when prompted. After reboot, enable ADB debugging, a process that allows your Chromebook to communicate directly with Android apps. Back in your login screen, you might see a warning about unverified apps. That's normal. Just sign in as usual, but remember, only install from well-known developers. Now open the terminal app. Type sudo apt install adb and press enter to get ADB, the Android Debug Bridge tool. When installed, connect to the debugging environment with ADB Connect Arc. You'll get a prompt to allow USB debugging. Click OK. Finally, install your APK by typing ADB install your app name .apk. Replace with your actual file name. For ARM devices, use ADB S emulator 5554 install your app name .apk, or similarly for Intel/AMD. Once installed, the app will appear in your launcher, ready to run. Enjoy a richer app universe on your Chromebook, whether it's games like Apex Legends, which may require some tweaks, or other apps not available in the Play Store. Just remember, safety first. Stick to trusted sources, and you're good to go.